What makes Taxie so special? It is safe. It conforms to the latest ECR 129 safety regulations. It is as small as a piece of hand luggage when folded. It is designed for all children over 76 centimeters height. And it is quick and easy to install. It means Taxie stands out from the competition. For example, this inflatable booster seat conforms to the old safety regulation and doesn't have side protection. This convertible car seat is too big and too heavy to use in most taxis. Plus, the use of a top-tether strap means the driver needs to access the front and back of the fixed seating to install and uninstall the child seat. This makes things complicated and time-consuming. This car seat base unit is designed to adapt to different motorcar seats, but it is already too big and heavy for a taxi. It requires the driver to install the base unit first and then install the car seat unit. That's 2 units to install and uninstall, complicated and time-consuming. Taxie by Trefold was created to help the taxi driver provide a better service. It is designed for children of 76 centimeters and above, with a scalable product the size of a piece of hand luggage. When you finish, just fold it back up and store it in the boot, leaving plenty of room for passenger luggage. A foldable child safety seat designed for taxis and cabbies. It's as small as a piece of hand luggage.